Hey everyone, welcome back to Decode Health and Lifestyle, your go-to place for cutting-edge health tips that could save your life. Today we're diving into something super important, your heart. Specifically, 9 weird signs of heart damage that most people don't even know about, but you shouldn't ignore. Some of these might shock you, especially number 7. So, stick around to the end, you don't want to miss it. Your heart is always working hard, but it's not always obvious when something's wrong. We're not talking about the usual chest pain or shortness of breath here. We're talking weird, lesser-known signs that could indicate serious heart damage. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1, jaw or neck pain. Yeah, you heard me right. Jaw or neck pain isn't just a sign of dental issues. It could actually be related to your heart. Heart damage or an impending heart attack can cause what's called referred pain. This means that pain radiates from your heart to other areas, like your jaw or neck. If you feel a persistent pain or tightness in your jaw or neck, especially if it's unexplained, don't brush it off. It might be your heart sending an SOS. Get it checked out. Number 2, swollen feet or ankles. Swelling in your feet or ankles might seem like no big deal, but it could be a sign of something more serious. When your heart isn't pumping blood efficiently, fluid can build up in your body, especially in the lower extremities. Doctors call this edema, and it's often one of the first signs that your heart is struggling to keep up. If you notice unusual swelling, especially if it doesn't go away after resting, it could be time for a heart checkup. Number 3, persistent cough or wheezing. Did you know that a persistent cough, especially one that brings up white or pink mucus, could be connected to heart damage? This happens because heart failure can cause fluid to leak into your lungs, something known as congestive heart failure. This symptom is often mistaken for a respiratory issue, but if you've got a long-term cough or unexplained wheezing, it could be a sign that your heart needs attention. Number 4, sudden unexplained fatigue. We all get tired, right? But if you're suddenly feeling drained, like super tired, for no reason, it could be a sign of heart damage. Your heart might not be able to pump enough blood to meet your body's needs, leaving you feeling weak and exhausted. This kind of fatigue doesn't go away with rest, and it can be a major red flag. If you're constantly tired without an obvious cause, it's time to see your doctor. Number 5, digestive issues and nausea. Believe it or not, heart damage can sometimes feel like stomach issues. Many people who experience heart problems report feeling nauseous, having indigestion, or even vomiting. This happens because poor blood flow affects your digestive system too. If you're dealing with digestive discomfort, especially along with other symptoms like chest pain or shortness of breath, don't ignore it. Number 6, irregular heartbeat, palpitations. Feeling like your heart is skipping a beat? Or maybe it's racing for no reason? These could be signs of atrial fibrillation, a type of irregular heartbeat that can lead to blood clots or even a stroke. If your heartbeat feels off, especially if it happens frequently or is accompanied by dizziness or chest pain, it's crucial to get it checked out ASAP. Number 7, sleep apnea. This one is super important. If you're waking up gasping for air or you've been told you snore loudly, it could be a sign of sleep apnea, and that's bad news for your heart. Sleep apnea stresses your heart and can lead to high blood pressure, irregular heartbeats, and even heart failure. If you suspect sleep apnea, don't wait. Talk to your doctor. Number 8, excessive sweating. Okay, we all sweat, but if you're breaking into a sweat while sitting still or doing something minor, your heart could be to blame. This can happen when your heart is under stress and struggling to pump blood efficiently. Cold, clammy sweats without any real reason could be a sign of heart trouble, especially if you're not exerting yourself. Keep an eye on this one. Number 9, memory problems or confusion. This one's a bit scary, but it's real. If your heart isn't pumping enough blood to your brain, you might notice issues like memory loss, confusion, or difficulty concentrating. When the brain doesn't get enough oxygen-rich blood, its ability to function starts to falter. So if you're feeling mentally foggy or unusually forgetful, it could be time to check in on your heart. So there you have it, 9 weird signs of heart damage that you must not ignore. Heart issues can sneak up on you, and sometimes the symptoms aren't what you'd expect. But now, you know what to look out for. If any of these sound familiar, please don't wait. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your heart. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Let's help more people stay heart healthy. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Decode Health and Lifestyle for more life-saving tips just like this. Thanks for watching and take care of your heart. Check out these videos next for more ways to stay healthy and informed.